Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube video on mobile. You can use YouTube to upload videos to share them with others. However, if the YouTube videos are outdated or for some reasons, you just want to delete them. Do you know how to delete a YouTube video on PC or phone? You can upload a video to YouTube, of course. You can also remove a video from YouTube when the video is updated or you don't want it to be shown in YouTube. To do so, on PC, if you haven't signed in your Google account, just do it. Go to your studio. You will access a new page. Then you need to select videos from the left menu. Go to find the YouTube video you want to delete and select more. Then select delete forever. On mobile, no matter you are using an iPhone or Android device, you can follow these steps to remove a video from YouTube on a mobile phone. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Go to your profile. Then go to My Videos. Go to find the video you want to delete and select the three dots and select delete. Likewise, the video URL and title will be unavailable anymore after you delete the video. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.